Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Spanish moss and its surprising health benefits. You know me, I'm all about using science to understand how we can live healthier lives. So when I started learning about the potential benefits of plants like Spanish moss, I knew I had to share it with you guys. You won't believe what this common plant can do for your well-being. Let's break down the science behind these benefits. Let's talk about inflammation. Spanish moss has been used as a natural remedy to reduce inflammation for generations. Scientists are discovering that Spanish moss contains bioactive compounds, like antioxidants, that can help neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants can block certain pathways in our cells that trigger inflammation. It's like turning off the faucet instead of just mopping up the floor. Unlike some medications, using Spanish moss in its natural form is unlikely to cause serious side effects. What about those pesky bacteria and fungi? Extracts of Spanish moss have been studied for their potential to stop these microbes. This is promising because some microbes are becoming resistant to current antibiotics. Finding new ways to fight them is crucial. Natural remedies like Spanish moss can sometimes be gentler on our bodies than conventional medications. More research is needed to nail down the specifics of using Spanish moss safely and effectively. Can Spanish moss help you breathe easier? Some cultures have used it in teas or herbal concoctions for respiratory issues. Spanish moss has soothing properties that could help calm irritated airways. It's like a warm hug for your lungs. While it won't cure anything overnight, it can help manage symptoms naturally. More research is needed, but the anecdotal evidence is intriguing. Let's talk about gut health. Spanish moss has a history of being used as a digestive aid in traditional medicine. Some believe it acts as a mild laxative, helping to keep things moving smoothly in the digestive tract. Others say it can soothe the gut, beneficial for discomfort or irritation. Scientific evidence is limited, and more research is needed to understand how Spanish moss interacts with our digestive system. Spanish moss has a long history of being used topically for skin health. It has natural, anti-inflammatory properties, helpful in reducing redness, swelling, and discomfort. Some believe it has antimicrobial properties, which could help prevent infections in minor cuts, scrapes, or burns. While more research is needed, the traditional use of Spanish moss for skin health is intriguing. Life can be stressful, and many cultures have turned to natural remedies like Spanish moss for calm and relaxation. Spanish moss has been used to create calming teas and infusions thought to ease tension and promote well-being. Some believe it contains compounds with mild sedative properties, helping to relax the body and mind. While more research is needed, the traditional use of Spanish moss for stress and relaxation is worth exploring. Spanish moss isn't just a random plant. It contains small amounts of essential nutrients like potassium and calcium. While it's not a primary source for these nutrients, it's cool to know this plant has nutritional value. Further research may uncover more hidden nutritional gems within Spanish moss. It's another reason to appreciate this fascinating plant. So there you have it, the fascinating world of Spanish moss and its potential health benefits. Remember, while Spanish moss has amazing traditional uses, consult with a healthcare provider before trying it out. Do your research from reputable sources and listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.